Hey, everybody, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at some weed stocks. This is ticker MSOS. Now, this is a collection of U.S. cannabis operators. A lot of those operators trade over the counter. And so this is a nice vehicle if you don't want to trade OTC stocks. Now, as a lot of you know, if you've been following the cannabis space, as a lot of you know, if you've been following the cannabis space, it's been a dark place for a long, long time. MSOs launched here in 2020, ran up, and then with the rest of the market kind of puked and did it for a long time. So it's been a bit of an ugly trade, one that you've really wanted to avoid at least until September of last year when it started to firm up and really chopped around this black line. That's the 200-day moving average. Now, I've talked about MSOs before. I think I traded this a few times, but ultimately traded out of it. One thing that really catches my eye is the fact that the stock market, the general stock market, SPY, is down today, but MSOs is up. And that's not all. We're also seeing strength in MJ, which is another cannabis ETF. It's holding up right around this 50-day moving average. So I definitely think these stocks should be watched right now. I definitely would want to define my risk on this at least to around that 850 range. That's the swing low of this recent active sequence. So I'd want to see definitely a higher high with a break above, let's say 958, 960. Hold above these moving averages, have that 50-day curl up, and then eventually you'd want to move that stop up and make sure you take that risk off the table if possible, just in case we get some negative news about the sector and it rolls over and maybe comes down here into this 200-day moving average zone. So that's just one way that I'm looking at some of the cannabis stocks here right now. I know there's a lot of positive news headlines potentially with legalization around the United States. And if that happens, then this could be the trade to be in. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. It's a messy market out there, but there are a few things that I think are worth watching. And if you want to see them, click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.